Hello, this is Berlin with Locs by B. I'm back with another video. As you can see, the hair is matted, and this can be caused by not keeping up with your retightening, not bundling your hair when you wash it, and also not separating it after your wash. So what I'm doing is going through her hair and just separating the locks that needs to be separated. Once I'm done with her entire head, I'll be able to get on with the process of retightening her locks.
Why you wanna do me long thing? She open up sorry yo. Why you do me something? Yeah. Why you go? Why you do me long thing? Yeah. She open up sorry yo. Why you do me something? Yeah. Eh oh collect, oh wale, oh one neck. Body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go perfume. Oh collect, oh wale, oh one it. Makam body too correct. Say she love me, and you love it. Sensima, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Benzema, why they for her? Benzema. Why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance, you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing.
Benzema, baby, shaman, I'm like a joke. Down, the back when all I want me can know. I need go your body, oh yeah, your body from daddy, yo. Oh baby, your body, oh yeah, your body from daddy, yo. Any matter, Shama, any matter, Poco, Shama, one little any matter, Poco, Sasha, one any matter. I go me really meta, yeah.
Befun, oh collect, oh wale, oh one it. Makam body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go befun, oh collect, oh wale, oh one it. Makam body too correct. Say she love me, and you love it. Sensima, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Benzema, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Benzema, why you wanna do me long thing? She open up sorry yo. Why you do me something? Yeah. Why you do me long thing? She open up sorry yo. Why you do me something? Yeah. Oh wale, makam. Say she love me, and you love it.
Long came to see.
Befun, oh collect, oh wale, oh one it. Makam body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go befun, oh collect, oh wale, oh one it. Makam body too correct. Say she love me, and you love it. Sensima, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Benzema, why you wanna do me long thing? She open up sorry yo. Why you do me something? Yeah. Why you do me long thing? Yeah. She open up sorry yo. Why you do me something? Yeah. Oh collect, oh wale, oh one it. Makam body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go befun, oh collect, oh wale, oh one it. Makam body too correct. Say she love me, and you love it. Sensima, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Benzema, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing.
Benzema, baby, shaman, I'm like a joke. Down, the back when all I want me can know. I need go your body, oh yeah, your body from daddy, yo. Oh baby, your body, oh yeah, your body from daddy, yo. Any matter, Shama, any matter, Poco, Shama, one little any matter, Poco.
Thank you for watching and joining me on this video. I hope you guys get the chance to see how important it is to keep up with your locks Make sure that you are getting your retightening when you're supposed to. And also after every single wash, you need to separate your locks so that you don't come across this situation as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.